This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi Rs3 vs Jaguar F-Type full comparison. Focus on performance, handling, practicality, and ownership costs as I guide you through each section. I will break down acceleration, braking, and chassis feedback so you can feel the difference. You will hear about comfort, cargo space, and tech features that matter day to day. Stay tuned for quick tests and practical buying tips near the end. Here we dive into performance and handling, covering acceleration, power curves, and chassis tuning in a conversational way. I will describe how each car behaves under hard acceleration and quick direction changes. We'll contrast all-wheel traction with rear-wheel agility and note braking feel and steering precision. Expect clear statements about everyday drivability as well as spirited driving scenarios so you can judge which character suits your needs. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support more content like this. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting in service queues or long trips more pleasant and fits easily in glove compartments or backpacks. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this section, I talk about comfort, cabin quality, and practicality in a friendly tone for easy listening. I will cover seat comfort, noise levels, and how usable each interior feels during daily commutes or road trips. You will hear about cargo capacity and small item storage, plus how intuitive infotainment and driver aids are. My goal is to help you decide which car fits your lifestyle better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.